Kusolwa ukuthi phakathi konyaka u2013 no2024 abasolwa bathatha imshwalense bafaka izihlobo zabo bakhokhelwa imali engango 10 million amarandi. Le mali yakhokhwa emabhange ehlukene okubalwa kuwo iAbsa, Standard Bank, Capitec, Hollard, Afbob, Assupol, Old Mutual, One Life kanye neClientele. Bona bahlukaniselana.
I think today is a culmination of great detective work. A lot of work has gone into this case, and so far we've got 10 suspects. We are looking for Robert Shokane, 41-year-old Robert Shokane, who is a twin. His twin brother appeared today in court.
Abasolwa babhekene namacala angama-47 okubalwa kuwo awokubulala, ukushushumbisa ngemali nokuphazamisa ukusebenza komthetho. Abanye babo babhekene necala lokucija itulo lokubulala amanye amalungu omphakathi ayebuthakathaka ngokwempilo ukuze bathole imali yomshwalense.
I need to inform you that you are facing 47 charges, and that these charges include 9 counts of murder.
Leli cala lithinta amalungu omndeni owodwa njengoba uThomas Shokane noWilliam Shokane kungabafowabo bakaRachel Shokwane Kudumela owabe eyiphoyisa, kanti ke kumanje uboshelwe icala elifanayo. Inkantolo ilihlehlisile icala ukuze abasolwa befake isicelo sebheyili.
This case is therefore remanded to the 25th of March 2026 for such application and further investigations.
Ummeli wabanye abasolwa akaneme ngendlela ababoshwe ngayo.
First, they're not a fly risk. That's why they follow them at their place of their residence. Then a proper procedure should be been followed.
Abasolwa bazogcinwa esitokisini baze babuyele enkantolo mhla zingama-25 kuNdasa.